There's a couple of different reasons why I'm excited about teaching the law of war to people who come into class usually with very limited knowledge and experience of this area. Personally, I've spent a lot of time working in conflict zones, and I would submit to almost anyone that you can't really understand what's going on before you, whether it's a targeting question or whether it's the experience that people feel as they live in environments of great uncertainty and chaos produced by conflict. You can't understand those issues without some reflection on the law of war. And by that I don't mean the law of war provides the answers you want. In fact, it's almost always completely frustrating in that it's inadequate to provide the sort of quick, clear, desired means of resolving almost every serious problem. This is the kind of subject that elevates the value and purpose of higher education. And I say that because you can't just intuit the mechanisms, thought patterns, terminology, and rubric and structure of the law of war. You have to study it. But part of what makes the law of war so interesting is that it presents a key paradox. On the one hand, war is perhaps the most destructive and devastating of human practices. Its purpose is to kill and destroy. On the other hand, one of the oldest bodies of international law and one of the longest standing cultural practices of people around the world is to come up with ways to regulate and manage that use of force. We now call this the law of war, and the law of war provides a kind of overlay of rules, restrictions, values, principles that substantively change the way in which war is practiced.